Hello, this is Thor Young with Bear Bull Traders, and I'd like to do a recap on my MU trades for you today. I did 2 trades on MU. Both trades were winners. Both trades based upon, you guessed it, wedges. I know I've been talking a lot about wedges. Today will be no different. So what happened on MU for me today? A lot of the people in chat, I believe Andrew was also trading MU, had some really nice plays. Some got some better entries than I did, but I took the entry I did based upon a specific pattern, and I'll show you why. So what I have here on MU, if you look here at my 5-minute chart, is I have what I consider to be a true opening range breakout. So on the 5-minute, you had it come up to 39.33. It pulled off of it, came back up, and then it came back up to 39.33 and touched it. When it touched it to the penny, it's creating a wedge here on the 5-minute. You can see here we've got our touches here. If you look up at the 1-minute, you see the 1, 2, and then my third touch to the penny at 39.33. So once it touched that and pulled back, I took an entry on it. And I actually took quite a large entry for me. I took 2,000 shares. So it went ahead and I partialed aggressively as it popped north up to 39.98. My stop out would have benefited broken probably about 10 cents. So at most 10-cent risk on this. And as you can see, I got about 70 cents out of it by the time I got up to this level here at 39.98. So I was pretty much out of my position there at 39.98 and I noticed that it pulled back and managed to hold this average. So it gained my attention again for maybe another leg up. So I wanted to see if it was going to return and retest that 39.98 area. If it touches it again, I consider that to be a wedge up, and it has to be to the penny. It needs to hit 39.98 to the penny in order for me to consider that to be a wedge up. If it fails by any amount, I will not take it because that's a reversal sign, not an entry sign. So it's a very specific entry signal, and getting it wrong, as any, can have alternate consequences. So it touched to the penny, so I liked it. So I went ahead and loaded right back up in. As soon as I did, got a nice pop, and I aggressively partialed up. Again, I added back up to 2,000 shares here, so I was looking to go. On this one, I was hoping to get to 40.30. Missed it by a little bit, and then I actually stopped out when it broke back beneath my base for my wedge. For me, for an exit signal, generically, after it's run away from the base, if it comes back and retests and comes through that base, and that base does not set up as a support, then I will generically stop out 9 out of 10 times. That is normally a sign that it's going to break back the other direction, and I just don't want to hold on to it. I would rather look here at my 5-minute. You can see here, I partialed out here. It actually ended up making, some would consider that a shooting star, and then it pulled back through here. I stopped out here once I got back below $40, and then you can see it pulled all the way back down. Now, if you were if I was still interested and I hadn't made P&L, it actually gave a nice setup here again, right around, it started coming back up here, made a nice wedge north, and now it's headed back up again. So there was another entry potential on MU for the long side. Some people like to take it around here. I have trouble reading all of these little dojis and stuff like that. So for me, I need something cleaner and clearer. I need a better indication of movement. And for me, that's what the wedge provides. You can see, we have this nice solid wedge. It breaks up. We had a wedge. It breaks up. Always be ready to get out. And if it breaks your base, that tends to be when I like to be finished with it. So hope everyone's having a great day. I hope this recap's useful for you, and I hope everyone's staying green. Thank you.